Hey kids, Mr. Glenn here, hope you're well. We are going to go and create a new file in Photopea, and in here, so you can see my cursor now, I've got a file at the top, and when we tap on that or click on it, we are going to go and create a new file, and we're going to call it class name thing. So as some of you will, in my classes, will already know how we name things. So we've got our class. I've got 5k. Name Bob McFerrin, for argument's sake, with 3 R's. And then I've called it what the thing actually is, and this is just going to make it easier for you to save later on and use and upload. So getting used to this naming convention is going to be good for you. Some things that we need to do before we go and create a canvas are, firstly, we need to go and make sure that it is transparent, and the reason we do that is because in this window above here, when we're going to save it as a PNG, the PNG keeps the portable network graphics, is what it stands for. PNG will keep the see-through bits, the transparent bits of your image. So if there's anything that is transparent, if we save it as a JPEG, it keeps everything as white. So anything that's see-through, it turns into white. So if you've got something on your layers, let's say you're drawing a big leopard, and around it you've got some bits that are see-through, but when you go to save it as a JPEG later on by accident, you'll notice that the see-through bits will become white and it will be very annoying. So we're going to make sure that this is transparent. The size is going to be in screen, so you can go across. Now usually I would keep print, but what I don't want to start doing is changing this height and width around and confusing us all. Instead, we're going to keep to the screen because that's where we're going to be posting it to. When we go to post it to Google Classroom, we want to keep it as screen size, so that when you share it with you and your friends and me and your teacher, you're going to keep it in a nice sort of widescreen kind of view. So I'm going to go to HD. You can go to full HD if you want. If you're on a bigger iPad, you can go to full HD if you want. Your iPad should cope with that, should be okay. But I'm going to keep it 1280 by 720, and then I simply go to create, and your page then is kept here, and you can pinch and zoom like I'm doing right now, just to make sure that things actually sort of move around the screen as it should do. That's it for this introduction to create a canvas. We're going to keep it like this for the moment, and then in a second we are going to go and import a layer and put our jungle in here. Right, year 5, go and have a go at that. Make sure it all works properly, and I'll see you in the next video.